Welcome back to the channel. In this video I show you some daytime footage from four 4K front dash cameras and their corresponding rear cameras. I have footage from the brand new VIOFO A329 2-channel configuration, the VIOFO A229 Pro 2-channel configuration with the rear camera, a Thinkware U3000, and a BlackVue DR970X Plus 2-channel, which I moved from another vehicle into this vehicle for this test. This is simple footage of me driving down to a freeway on-ramp, getting onto the freeway and exiting the freeway, and I'll have the daytime front camera footage first and then the rear camera footage after that. Some things to note about the configurations of the dash cameras here. I do have the latest available firmware installed in each of these dash cameras, and I do have a test firmware installed in the A329, which was to resolve an auto HDR feature problem. The other things to note is the A229 Pro. I know that the front camera does have a soft focus quality to it, and in this particular test, the GPS did not actually obtain a signal lock until it was shortly after this particular front camera and rear camera footage test was completed. So it did work, it just didn't seem to obtain a GPS signal within the first several minutes of driving, which is slightly unusual for that particular dash camera. Otherwise, just check out the footage and see what you think. Thanks for watching.